Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the converting the numbers from denary to binary. And we have also discussed that denary system is also known as the decimal system. In Cambridge, we say it as a denary system, right? Okay. In the previous, when we have discussed that we are going to convert the numbers from the binary to denary system, we have opted a systems or a method. In here, we are going to reverse that operation. And from denary to binary, slightly we can say that this when we are making this conversion, it is known as slightly more complex. So we have two basic ways to doing this system from converting the number from binary to binary. One method is known as trial and error, and the second method is more methodical and involves repetitive divisions. So one, we say that in the first method, we say that it is known as the trial and the error method, and the second method where we have a lot of repetitive divisions, right? Okay, the first method where we are going to convert the denary number into binary number, consider that we have number 107, right? We have to convert this denary or decimal number into binary number systems. This method involves placing ones in an appropriate position so that the total equates to 107. 107 के equivalent जो है हमने इस number को लेके आना. And how it is done? We just take the maximum number starting from the left side. We have this table. In the previous lecture, we have described that how you are going to create this table from number 1 to 128. I'm repeating that structure again. From the right, we will place 1, and the next column we will multiply it by the 2. So we get the number 2. Then we multiply by 2, we get the number 4, multiply by 2, and get the number 8, then 16, 32, 64, 128. And this number doesn't stop here. We have to add one more column, then we have to multiply by 2. Then we have the number 256. Then we have the number 512. Then we have the number 1024. So this number goes on. So in the binary number, we only stick to numbers which have only 8 binary numbers, 8 to 9. We are only discussing those numbers. So when we have the 107 number, what we will going to do that we will take the maximum number that can be subtracted from the 107. Okay, if we start from the left side, that is 128. The maximum number is 128. So 128 cannot be subtracted from the 107. So we neglect this number. We will move to number 64. Now, if we have 64, in 64, we can subtract this number from the number 107. That the number we have to convert this number from denary to binary numbers. So this is the number that we are converting. If this number can be subtracted from this number, then when we can place 1 over here. So when we place 1 over here, we have to subtract 64 from the 107. We get the number 43. Like we have 107 and we subtract the number 64 from here. What we will get? We'll get 43. So the next number is 43. Now we are going to consider this number 43. We move toward the next column. This column is done. We have placed the 1 over here. Then we'll move toward the next column, and next column is 32. Can we subtract 32 from the 43? Yes, we can do. We can do it. We can subtract 32 from the 43. We get the number 11. 43 minus 32, we get number 11. We get 11 numbers. So we place 1 over here, the number that can be subtracted, and we have subtracted it. We place the 1 over that column. We place the 1 over here. Then we move toward the next column. We have the number 11 now. We can subtract 16 from 11. No, we place 0 over here. We put this number as 0 over here. We move toward the next column. Next column have the value 8. 8 can be subtracted from 11. We place number 1 over here. If we place minus 8 over here, and if we subtract it, we have number 3. We are remain with this number. We have placed 1 over here. Move toward the next column. Can we subtract the number from 4 from the number 3? No, we can't. So we neglect it. We move toward the next.
Where are your voices?
Okay. Okay, now we are left with the number 3. We are going toward the next column. In the next column, we have number 2. The number 2 can be subtracted from the number 3. So we place 1 over here and we subtract this number 2 from the number 3. Then what we have? 1. We are left with the 1 value. We move toward the next column. 1 can be subtracted from the 1 value. Yes, it can be subtracted. And we are left with 0. In the last, when we are left with 0, it means our method is absolutely correct. Right? So this is the method how you can evaluate that when you have making the conversion and you are left with the value 0, you are sure that you have placed the ones and zeros at the appropriate position. Okay, now we come toward the second method, which is known as division method. जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा division involved होती है. So this method involves successive division by 2. The remainder are then read from the bottom to top to give the binary value. Again, यहाँ पर भी हम example ले रहे हैं 107 की, ठीक है? 107 को हमने as an example लिया है. So we place the 107 over here. We divide it with the number 2, 2 5 the 10, 2 3 the 6, and we are left with the 1 remainder. So we place the remainder over here. ये method आपने पहले भी किसी क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, ठीक है? So we place the number over here. Again, we divide it with the number 2. We divide it, and when we divide it, 2 to the 4, to 6 to 12, we are left with the number 1. To 1 the 2, to 3 the 6, we completely divide it. We are only left with the 0. To 6 the 12, we are left with the 1.
Sir, your voice is again low.
तो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑल द कैलकुलेशन ओवर हियर, तो जो आंसर हमारे पास आएगा वो हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, यहाँ से इस ट्रॉली प्लेस से, और हमने ऊपर की तरफ जाना है. तो जो आंसर का हमारा फर्स्ट डिजिट होगा दैट विल बी द नंबर 1, वो हमने यहाँ पे प्लेस कर दिया. देन अगेन द सेकंड नंबर 1, देन 0, देन 1, देन 0, देन 1 एंड 1. ये हमारे पास सारे नंबर्स आ जाएंगे. अब क्योंकि हमने जो नंबर लिखे हैं, अगर आप इन नंबर को देखें, दीज आर 7 नंबर्स. तो अगर आपने 8 नंबर्स में आंसर करना है तो वी हैव टू प्लेस अ 1 0 बिफोर ऑल ऑफ दीज नंबर्स. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, देयर विल बी नो डिफरेंस. तो हमारा एक्चुअल आंसर ये था, दैट विल बी 7 डिजिट्स, और इसके शुरू में हम एक 0 लगा देंगे. लगाएं ठीक है, ना भी लगाएं तब भी ओके है, इसमें कोई इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. तो अब हम आते हैं आगे आपकी एक्टिविटी की तरफ. दिस इज योर एक्टिविटी. In this activity, you have to convert all these numbers. You have to start with the 41, then we have to complete almost E to F. यहाँ तक हम जाएंगे आज की क्लास में. And at the end, you have to do the homework. Rest of the numbers will be your homeworks. तो हम आगे चलते हैं. एक एग्जांपल मैं आपके लिए सेट करता हूँ जो आसान सा मेथड है, उससे हम पहले कर लेते हैं, फिर सेकंड मेथड से हम बाद में करेंगे.
सर वो आपने होमवर्क क्या था दिखा दे.
बट मैं अभी आपको बता देता हूँ. बता दीजिए, सारे नंबर्स आ रहे हैं आपकी तरफ. ऑल ऑफ दीज नंबर्स, ये जो नंबर लेफ्ट साइड पे आ रहे हैं ना, ये आपका काम होगा. जो क्लास में हमारे पास हो गया, क्लास में होगा. द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्क विल बी डन एज अ होमवर्क. तो हम 41 से पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं. 41 को हमने कन्वर्ट कैसे करना है, पहले ये आसान सा मेथड. 41 के लिए हमने यही वाला मेथड किया, डिवीजन वाला. 2 to the 4, 0 प्लेस कर दिया क्योंकि 1 जो है वो इससे लेसर है, तो यहाँ पर हमने 1 लगा दिया. टू 10 द 20, 0 आ गया. फिर इसने सारी कैलकुलेशन हम करते गए तो ये नंबर्स हमारे पास आ गए 1 0 1 0 1. ये हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. इस आंसर को हमने कैसे लिखना है, इसका आंसर को हमने ऐसे लिखना है. ये तमाम नंबर जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं ये यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. अब देखें जो आपको नंबर मैं बता रहा हूँ कि हमारे पास ये सारे नंबर्स हैं. तो ये कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 6 डिजिट्स। 6 डिजिट जब यहाँ पे आए हैं तो ये 2 जीरो जो हैं ये एडिशनल हमें ऐड किए हैं, क्योंकि हमने अपना पूरा टेबल बनाया हुआ है ना 128 तक का। तो वी आर लेफ्ट विद द 6 डिजिट। जो 6 डिजिट्स है पहले इस जगह पे आ जाएंगे, यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया 2 जीरो जो हमने यहाँ पे प्लेस कर दिए। तो बाकी जो काम है जल्दी से अपने स्टार्ट करें और इस मेथड के थ्रू उनको सॉल्व करते जाएं। सॉल्व करके आपने चैट में अपने आंसर मेरे साथ शेयर करना है।